The GoveeLife Presence Sensor GLS-200 offers exceptional accuracy in detecting human presence through a combination of microwave radar and infrared technology. Its Smart Target Exclusion feature ensures precise detection by distinguishing between actual human movements and other objects like small pets or running appliances. This sensor allows for highly customizable device automation, responding to various factors such as presence duration and distance, making it ideal for personalized home settings. With its flexible installation options, including a pasteable magnetic base that supports 120 degrees folding and 360 degrees rotating, it can be mounted on walls or ceilings to cover a maximum detection range of 26 feet. It integrates seamlessly with popular smart home systems like Alexa, IFTTT, and Google Assistant, offering a cohesive and energy-efficient smart home environment. The GoveeLife Presence Sensor GLS-200 is perfect for those seeking a reliable indoor motion detection solution, enhancing both convenience and security in the home.